Every new year, we send the same boring text messages. Happy New Year. Copy, paste, done. But what if you could send a smart New Year wish with music, animation, and a surprise experience that feels like a video greeting? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create and send a smart New Year wish in less than 1 minute. And yes, it works for any year you choose. Open your browser and visit this website, smartwishes.versal.app. This is a smart New Year wish generator that lets you create beautiful, personalized wishes and share them instantly on social media. No app, no login, no payment. Step 1. Fill the details. Let's start creating a wish. First, type your name. This will appear as the sender. Next, type Send To, the person you want to surprise. Then, select your relationship, friend, mother, father, brother, sister, or anyone special. After that, choose the year. You can select any year you want, so this website works every new year, forever. Now write your New Year message. This is where your emotions go. Make it kind. Make it funny. Make it meaningful. Step 2. Choose background music. Now comes the smart part. Choose your background music. You'll see 5 different music styles. Classic party, happy, fireworks, peaceful. When you select music, your browser may ask for permission to play sound. Just click Allow. This music will play automatically when the receiver opens your wish. Step 3. Generate wish link. Once everything is ready, click the Generate Wish Link button. A pop-up will open instantly. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a beautiful preview image, a download button, a copy link button, and direct share buttons for social media. Sharing is very simple. Step 1. Download image. Save the image to your phone or computer. Step 2. Copy link. Click copy link. Step 3. Share on social media. Send the image plus link together on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Instagram. This is how you create a smart, viral wish. What receiver sees now? Here's the magic part. When someone opens your link, a preview page opens. They'll see a big Start button. Once they click Start, the background music starts. Animations play. The wish feels like a mini video experience. It's not just a message, it's a smart New Year wish. At the end, they can replay the wish or even create their own. This is perfect for friends, family, loved ones, social media posts, and the best part? It works for every new year because you choose the year. Try it now. Visit smartwishes.versal.app, create your smart New Year wish, and surprise someone today. And if you love smart tech like this, don't forget to subscribe to Code with Lasa.